Good afternoon, students. So now here we are discussing how to install and use Param app. First, you need to go to the Play Store, then search for Param, Param. Click on search button. Then in the third place you will get Param, GG Labs Private Limited. Okay. Third place Param. Okay. Logo, one student and book is there in the Param. And I have already installed this app, so I need not to install it again. But if you have not installed, then you need to install. Then click on open, or you can go to the Param in your app drawer like this. Now if you are a new user, then you need to sign up. If you are using the Param app first time, email ID, how you will write email ID? Email ID is your SR number that is written on your fee card. SR number, like my SR number is 1234 @ symbol you need to use, then new rsj.in, that is your email ID. Then for password you need to write new rsj ch only. The password is new rsj ch. Okay. Security key new rsj s for security. Then you need to submit. Okay. Then it is showing your ID will be activated within 24 hours. Okay, the message will pop up, and in that particular message there will be written that your ID will be activated within 24 hours. But I am assuring you that you will get activated your ID within an hour. Okay. So now my ID is activated now, so I need to log in. You need to go here on the login page, or you can back in the app drawer, open the Param app again, write your email. Like I have one sample email 5624 @newrsj.in. Password is same for all the students, like password is new rsj ch. Okay. Then you need to submit here. Then you will get the main menu page of the New RSJ Public School. Here first section is notice section. In this particular section you will get all the information that has been sent by school for the students or the parents also. Okay. You can reference it if there is no notice showing in your particular page. Then here you will get different kind of notice, like for your paper information, teachers WhatsApp number, how to make the PDF, means like exam instructions, exam schedule, like that. All the information you will get here. Okay. So this is the notice section for you. Now next is download section. In this particular download section you will get the things, whatever the things school has sent you for download, like your question papers, any extracurricular activity things, or your yoga activity schedule, etc. You will get download here. Okay. Now video gallery. In this particular video gallery you will get the different kind of activity videos or different function that school has organized, like Teachers Day celebration, Independence Day celebration, like this. All the videos whatever the students has sent to us, all the videos are there, you can watch it. Okay. And now most important thing, my class, where all the information related to your class, like class notes. So in class notes you will get all the PDFs, means all the written document that has been sent by your subject teacher is here. You will download here on the clicking on this download option, that is arrow and the bar between the below that. Okay. So you will get all the PDFs from July and August month. Okay. Only July and August month PDFs are there. Then next section is homework. Whatever homework teachers has sent you, that will be on here. Okay. Because of the exam it is not there. Okay. It has been removed because our first term teaching is over, so exams have been started. So our homework section is blank now. From second semester you will get homeworks here. Okay, now next is notification section. You will get here all the April plus May till 5 July, all the videos and all the PDFs and all the homeworks here. Okay, means April plus May month course and July month course you will get here on the notification section. Okay, so if you click on the link, you will get one Google Drive section where you need to log in, and you will get all the videos and PDFs as well. Okay, now book library, it is your virtual library. Whichever subject books you want, here your course book is not there, but all the extra books like you are using the library in the school. Because of the exams we have removed, or we have hide this section because of the exam, for a student will prepare by their own course book. After the exam we will again show many kinds of books and extra books. Whichever you want to read, you can download it and read it from here. Okay, due to exam we have hide this section. Okay, now the important thing is video lecture. Here you will get all the videos, like any subject video you want to watch. If you have missed any class, or if you are not able to attend any class, then you will get all the video lectures here of each subject and each topic, each chapter of each month, means like July month, August month, like this. Okay, so all the things you will get here. This is your Param app, means class notes, homework, notification, book library and video lectures. Okay, so this is our Param app. How to use it I have discussed here. So thank you for this particular video. That's it from my side. Okay.